In today's video, we're going to talk about the 18 best dividend stocks that investors should consider for their portfolios in 2023 and beyond. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Dividend stocks are shares of a company that pays out dividends regularly. Stocks that pay dividends are a good way to supplement your income, and the finest dividend stocks can also help you build wealth over time. Many investors don't know where to begin their search for high-quality dividend stocks. Despite the fact that not all dividend stocks are created equal, in this video, we will explore a list of 18 dividend-paying stocks you may wish to investigate. Number 18. PepsiCo Incorporated (PEP). PepsiCo is an international food and drink company that makes snacks, drinks, and other items for consumers. PepsiCo is well positioned to weather a recession because its sales typically remain comparatively consistent in challenging times. The company has been paying dividends for over 50 years and has a current dividend yield of around 2.9%. PepsiCo has a history of increasing its dividend annually for 49 consecutive years. Number 17. Visa Incorporated (V). Visa is a multinational financial services company that operates a global payments network. The company has been paying dividends since it went public in 2008 and has steadily increased its payouts since then. With nearly $10.9 trillion in transaction volume, Visa runs the world's largest payments network. Its leading position is unmatched, with the company processing 82% more volume than MasterCard and 755% more than American Express over the last 4 quarters. Visa's earnings per share has grown 24% thanks to robust consumer spending in categories such as travel and entertainment. Visa has a current dividend yield of around 0.6%, and the company has been investing heavily in new technology and partnerships. Number 16. Cisco Systems Incorporated (CSCO). Cisco Systems is a technology company that produces networking hardware, software, and services. Cisco operates 5 main business segments: secure and agile networks, 49% of its revenue in the first half of fiscal 2023, Internet for the Future, 10%, collaboration, 8%, end-to-end security, 7%, and optimized application experiences, 1%. The remaining 25% came from its services unit. The company has been paying dividends for over 10 years and has a current dividend yield of around 2.8%. Number 15. Pfizer Incorporated, ticker PFE. Pfizer is a multinational pharmaceutical company that produces vaccines, medicines, and consumer health products. Pfizer has a dividend yield of around 3.5%, and the company has been paying dividends for over 100 years. PFE has a history of increasing its dividend annually for 12 consecutive years. Number 14. The Southern Company, ticker SO. The Southern Company is an energy company that provides electricity and natural gas services to customers in the southern United States. The company has a current dividend yield of around 4.5%, and it has been paying dividends for over 70 years. The Southern Company has a history of increasing its dividend annually for 19 consecutive years. Number 13. Johnson Controls International plc, ticker JCI. Johnson Controls is an international company that makes batteries for cars, controls for buildings, and other industrial products. The company has a current dividend yield of around 2.2%, and it has been paying dividends for over 100 years. JCI has a history of increasing its dividend annually for 11 consecutive years. Number 12. Abbvie Incorporated, ticker Abbvie. Abbvie is a multinational pharmaceutical company that produces medicines for a range of health conditions. Abbvie has a dividend yield of around 4.4%, and the company has been paying dividends since its spin-off from Abbott Laboratories in 2013. Abbvie has steadily raised its dividends since then. Number 11. Nextera Energy Incorporated, ticker NE. Nextera Energy is a clean energy company that produces electricity from wind, solar, and nuclear power sources. The company operates a sizable utility with a Florida concentration and a top energy resources company that generates renewable energy, moves natural gas, and transmits electricity. NE has a current dividend yield of around 2.5%, and it has been paying dividends for over 30 years. The company has a history of increasing its dividend annually for 12 consecutive years. Number 10. Merck & Company, Incorporated, ticker Merck. Merck is a multinational pharmaceutical company that produces vaccines, medicines, and animal health products. The company has a current dividend yield of around 3.3%, and it has been paying dividends for over 50 years. Merck has a history of increasing its dividend annually for 11 consecutive years. Number 9, CocaCola Consolidated Incorporated, ticker Coke. CocaCola Consolidated is a beverage company that produces, markets, and distributes non-alcoholic beverages. The company has a current dividend yield of around 1.4%, and it has been paying dividends for over 100 years. Coke has a history of increasing its dividend annually for 19 consecutive years. Number 8, McDonald's Corporation, ticker MCD. McDonald's is a multinational fast food restaurant chain that operates in over 100 countries. The company has a current dividend yield of around 2.3%, and it has been paying dividends for over 40 years. MCD has a history of increasing its dividend annually for 45 consecutive years. Number 7, Target Corporation, ticker TGT. Target is a retail company that operates general merchandise and food stores in the United States. The company has a current dividend yield of around 1.4%, and it has been paying dividends for over 50 years. TGT has a history of increasing its dividend annually for 54 consecutive years. Number 6. Comcast Corporation, ticker Comcast. Comcast is a multinational telecommunications conglomerate that provides cable television, internet, and telephone services to residential and commercial customers. The company also owns a significant amount of content through its NBC Universal subsidiary, which includes television networks, movie studios, and theme parks. Comcast has been paying dividends for over a decade and has a current dividend yield of around 2.2%. In addition to its stable business model, the company has been investing in new technologies like 5G and expanding its content offerings through strategic acquisitions. Number 5. Microsoft Corporation, ticker Microsoft. Microsoft is a technology company that produces software, consumer electronics, and personal computers. The company is known for its Windows operating system and its popular Office suite of productivity software. Microsoft has been paying dividends since 2003 and has a current dividend yield of around 0.8%. In recent years, the company has shifted its focus to cloud computing services like Azure and has seen significant growth in this area. Additionally, Microsoft has a strong balance sheet and has been returning value to shareholders through stock buybacks and dividend increases. Number 4. Verizon Communications Incorporated, ticker VZ. Verizon is a telecommunications company that provides wireless and wired services to consumers and businesses. The company has a strong competitive position in the industry, with a large network and a reputation for high-quality service. Verizon has been paying dividends for over 30 years and has a current dividend yield of around 4.6%. The company has a solid balance sheet and has been investing in new technologies like 5G and fiber optic networks. Number 3. Johnson & Johnson is a multinational healthcare company that produces pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer health products. The company has a diversified product portfolio and operates in over 60 countries worldwide. Johnson & Johnson has been paying dividends for over 50 years and has a current dividend yield of around 2.8%. The company has a strong balance sheet and has been investing in research and development to bring new products to market. Number 2. Procter & Gamble Company, ticker PG. Procter & Gamble is a multinational consumer goods company that produces a wide range of products, including cleaning supplies, personal care items, and food and beverages. The company has a strong brand portfolio and a reputation for quality products. Procter & Gamble has been paying dividends for over 130 years and has a current dividend yield of around 2.6%. The company has a history of steady dividend growth and has been investing in new products and marketing initiatives to drive sales. Number 1. Apple Incorporated, ticker Apple. Apple is a technology company that produces consumer electronics, software, and services. The company is known for its popular iPhone and Mac products and has a strong ecosystem of services like Apple Music and the App Store. Apple has been paying dividends since 2012 and has a current dividend yield of around 0.5%. The company has a strong balance sheet and a large cash reserve, which it has been returning to shareholders through stock buybacks and dividend increases. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more investing tips and news.